Hello and welcome back to my channel. Those who are new here, my name is Sheen. This is the third and last part of this tutorial. In my first two parts, I have shown you how to groom and map your eyebrows at home, how to make organic DIY brow mask, how to get perfect makeup base, this gorgeous smoky glitter eye makeup, and that too just in 5 minutes. If you have missed those tutorials, then I will give you the link in the description box below. Today I will be showing how to contour your face like a pro and the final flawless makeup. So sit back and relax. I will jump right into the tutorial. I will be taking this coral sheen shade from Maybelline and cover all my dark spots. You can use any lipstick instead. It's totally up to you. Then I will be applying this concealer from Wet n Wild and cover those orange spots. Then I'm going to take a wet beauty blender as always and dab them nicely. All the makeup details will be in the description box below if you are wondering. First, I will be highlighting my face, neck and collarbone with this Wet n Wild highlighter stick. My face is more like heart-shaped or round shapes, so this is the right way to highlight and contour my face. If you have a different shape and you want to know how to contour, then comment below. I will make sure to make another tutorial just for you. Then I will be taking a contour stick and contour my face and neck. So this is the final look, and again this technique is only applicable for the face cutting I have. Now as usual, I will be blending them with a wet blender. After that I will set everything with a loose face powder, and in this case I am using Airspun loose face powder. For foundation, I will be using CoverGirl 155 Soft Honey and cover my whole face and neck gently with that wet beauty blender. Keep in mind though, you don't want to press really hard because you don't want to destroy the contour you just did underneath. Now I'm gonna go ahead and again seal everything with the loose face powder. Once that is done, I will be applying a contour powder and contour my face. I would like to use my fingers sometimes because that gives me a settled and more controlled look. For blush, I will be using CoverGirl Rose Silk Blush, and man, the shine is a showstopper. I know the camera is not doing justice. To highlight my face, I will be using Physicians Formula Mineral Glow Pearls Highlighter and highlight my whole face and neck. Again, to watch the eye makeup, you can click on the video link below. You can also click on the card right here. Okay guys, now I'm going to take a brown lip liner and draw my lips in such a way that it looks fuller and natural. Then I will be using L'Oreal's 977 Passionate Pink and fill my lips. Finally, I am going to apply this gold lip gloss from Chanel and gently dab just in the middle. So there you go. I didn't have to do anything extra for my hair, and this makeup looks absolutely gorgeous and flawless. Comment below if you have any question or suggestion. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this was helpful to you. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. And I upload every week, so stay tuned. I love you guys so much. I will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, stay well. Bye.